So, good evening everybody. I thought I'd put the camera on for the trip home tonight. The busy evening rush hour commute. I don't know how well you can see it, but I've just installed an LED light strip at the inside of my fairing. So I've currently got it at like a nice turquoise blue sort of colour. It's not as bright as I was hoping for, but it's still pretty cool. I'll try and show you it when I get home. So I've decided I'm probably going to have to do like a week or a couple of weeks worth of just daily vlogs, just to keep views up. Hopefully keep you all interested. I'm not just going to talk about rubbish, but yeah, I think that's going to be my main way of making my videos. When I was installing my light strip on the weekend, it took me way longer than it was meant to. So my fairings were a bit too smooth, so I couldn't actually get any grip, or it just wasn't sticking properly. So I actually had to add a bit of adhesion. I actually had to sort of sellotape a few bits. It worked still, but it wasn't as good as what I was hoping for. Come on. Oh, learner, bless him. So yeah, I was planning on making a whole video for how to install these light strips, like a really nice, easy way to do it. But really, it would be a pointless video because it is just too easy to do. I'll link in the description below what I did buy. But it literally was a case of a 2 meter LED strip, a pair of scissors and some Velcro, 2 different Velcro sticky pads to attach the battery to it. I deliberately didn't want to play around with the actual electrical wiring on the bike. I thought it was just too much hassle, potential for something to go wrong. So I've literally just got a little, it's got 3 AA batteries that it takes, and I've got a full RGB colour changing light strip now. I think if I was you, I'd probably get a couple of 1 meter ones. You'd have a few more battery packs to install, but it was a bit awkward trying to do one long line and sort of loop it all the way around. I wanted to do it slightly different, so that it actually did more of the underside of the bike. But on my one, the fairing, it wasn't long enough. It just wasn't going to work, unfortunately. And obviously I can't stick it to any of the pipe work because that's just stupid, so. But it still looks alright. It's a little something extra. I'm not sure people are necessarily going to see me any better, but the bike looks a little bit cooler. When I was putting these strips on, it literally did confirm just how cold it was outside, but I'm going to have to do this guy. Yeah, it literally confirmed just how cold it is in the winter here. I've got to have my garage door open just to get as much light in because it's so dark. But obviously in doing so, there's the cold in as well. So I tried to record the bits like going into the detail, and it just really didn't work. So I've got all the footage, but it looks pretty crap. So I wasn't going to bother making a full video from it anyway because it was too short and too simple when I got into it. But yeah, for this week I've decided I'm going to try and vlog once a day, either to or from work. I won't do both because there's only so much you can talk about. And I've also started working on a video talking about the Kriega bags. Don't know if any of you have come across them before, but they're fantastic bags. I've actually got one of them myself after borrowing a mate's one, so that upload will be coming soon. Just trying to record a few nicer shots, like a few cinematic ones, showing the bags in action, things like that. But it's nearly there. It's about halfway, I'd say, at the moment. But yeah, the goal is still 1,000 subscribers in a month. Like I said, I'm not too sure this is going to be achievable, but I reckon if I start doing almost daily uploads for a short period of time, it could potentially work. As bad as it is, I genuinely look forward to there being traffic up this hill, just so you can go past everybody on the bike. That said, I have seen a couple of idiots racing down here in the middle section before, which to me is just dangerous. So I get going up it, when you're going past traffic, but coming down it when you do not need to be doing that at all. It's just stupid and dangerous. Come on, Fiat, keep it going. That dickhead wasn't indicating behind. So all of these vlogs are literally just going to be short, sharp. My commute home is only about 15 minutes maximum. It's probably more about 10 when you get filtering through the traffic. So I shall say good night. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.